Every business has what they call KPIs. Those are key performance indicators, the things in your business that you need to be measuring on a daily, weekly, monthly basis to make sure that your business is on point, to make sure your business is meeting industry standard trends in terms of how much things should cost in your business, what certain business categories should you have in your business. I want to talk to you about how you determine your KPIs. First of all, every single business has KPIs. If you can't measure what you're doing in your business is probably going off the rails. There are reports that you can grab as a business person from different types of companies that give reports based on different industries. For example, if you own an airline and you're in the airline industry, there are companies that maintain data on what airlines are doing, how many flights are flying per day, what's the cost of fuel, the cost of employees. If you're in the accounting industry, if you're in the marketing industry, it doesn't matter the industry, there is definitely data out there that is going to help you determine what your key performance indicators are.